Hey class, this is Mrs. Cornett, and in this video I am going to show you how you can determine if ordered pairs are a solution to inequalities. And so this comes from section 4.5 in your textbook. And the instructions say determine whether each ordered pair is a solution to the inequality. Let's look at number 1 first. And as you can see, number 1 is the inequality x plus 4y greater than 10. And there's 4 choices of ordered pairs, and the answer can actually be more than one. And so just one at a time, we'll check to see if that ordered pair still makes the statement true. So for example, the ordered pair 0, 0, we would plug that directly into the inequality. 0 plus 4 times 0 greater than 10. Well, 0 plus 4 times 0 is 0. So is 0 greater than 10? No, it's not. And so A is not a solution. Take a look at B. Is the ordered pair 3, 2. If we plug that into the inequality, that's 3 times 4 times 2 greater than 10. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Is 11 greater than 10? Yes, it is. So the ordered pair for B is correct. Next, let's check C. Is the ordered pair 1, 2 a solution? This is 1 plus 4 times 2. Is that bigger than 10? Well, 4 times 2 is 8. And when you add 8 plus 1, that's only 9. Is 9 greater than 10? And no, it's not. The ordered pair D is negative 2, 4. Negative 2 plus 4 times 4 greater than 10. Well, 4 times 4 is 16, and when you combine it with negative 2, it's positive 14. And positive 14 is greater than 10, and so D is a solution to this inequality. Okay, let's do that again with number 3. The inequality is negative 3x plus 5y. Is that less than or equal to 12? And you can see we have 4 new ordered pairs to choose from. Ordered pair A is 1, 2. So this will be negative 3 times 1 plus 5 times 2. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. And 5 times 2 is 10. When you combine those two together, you have 7. So is 7 less than or equal to 12? Yes, it is. So ordered pair A is a solution. Next, let's look at ordered pair B at the top of the screen. It's 2, negative 3. This is negative 3 times 2 plus 5 times negative 3. Negative 2 times 3, that's negative 6. And 5 times negative 3, that's a negative 15. When you combine those two together, it's a negative 21. Is that less than or equal to 12? Yes, it is. So the ordered pair 2, negative 3 is a solution. Next, we'll check the ordered pair 1, 3. Negative 3 times 1 plus 5 times 3. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. 5 times 3 is 15. When you combine those two together, you get 12. Is 12 less than or equal to 12? And yes, it is. Okay, let's do that 2 more times. Instructions are still the same. For question 103, we have x minus y greater than 4. The first ordered pair is negative 1, negative 5. So that would be negative 1 minus negative 5. Is that greater than 4 is the question. We can add the opposite right here. And so this would be negative 1 plus 5, which is 4. Is 4 greater than 4? No, it's not, because it doesn't have the equal to symbol underneath it. So A is not a solution. The ordered pair B is 0, 0. 0 minus 0, is that greater than 4? No, it's not. So B is not a solution. C is the ordered pair 3, negative 2. 3 minus negative 2, is that greater than 4? Well, when you go back and add the opposite, it would be 3 plus 2, which is 5. And 5 is greater than 4. And so the ordered pair for C is a solution. And let's check D, which is 8, 1. 8 minus 1, is that greater than 4? 8 minus 1 is 7. And yes, 7 is greater than 4. And so the solution to this inequality are the ordered pairs for C and D. All right, let's do one more. 104 is y minus 2x. Is that less than or equal to negative 1? First ordered pair is an easy one, 0, 0. This will be 0 minus 2 times 0. Okay, do you see that 0 minus 2 times 0 is 0? So is that less than or equal to negative 1? No, it's not. 0 is actually greater than negative 1. So the ordered pair 0, 0 is not a solution. Next, let's check the ordered pair negative 2, 1. And be careful because this inequality, the y variable comes first. So this is 1 minus 2 times negative 2. And is that less than or equal to negative 1? When you multiply 2 times negative 2, that's negative 4. So this would be 1 minus negative 4. And then when you add the opposite, it's 5. So is 5 less than or equal to negative 1? No, it's not. The ordered pair C is negative 3, 4. So we're going to substitute it into the same inequality. 4 minus 2 times negative 3, and then we're going to see if that is less than or equal to negative 1. Right here, 2 times negative 3 is a negative 6, so 4 minus a negative 6. We'll add the opposite to get 10. Is 10 less than or equal to negative 1? And no, it's not. And last ordered pair, I'm going to squeeze it right here in the middle, is negative 1, negative 6. This will be negative 6 minus 2 times negative 1. And is that less than negative 1? So right here, 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. So this will be negative 6 minus negative 2. When we add the opposite and then combine it with negative 6, you get a negative 4. Is negative 4 less than or equal to negative 1? Yes, it is. So I hope this video helps as you are determining whether ordered pairs are a solution or not. It just takes a little time to check each ordered pair, but it's a pretty straightforward process. But please let me know if you have any questions.